Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do finger coils. Alright, so for the first step, what you guys want to do is that you guys want to wash your hair just to get rid of all that gunk and make sure to use warm water to open up the cuticles. I did have gel in my hair, so I was just making sure that that got washed out properly. Now I'm going to be using Aussie shampoo. So I take the shampoo and I apply it to my roots, and I'm not scratching my scalp, I'm using the tip of my fingernails to massage my scalp. The reason why we use shampoo is to clean our scalp, so there is no reason why your scalp shouldn't be clean after shampooing. So after shampooing my hair, I just rinsed it out. Now I'm going to be using Aussie conditioner. I really like how this conditioner gives my hair that nice slip whenever I detangle. It makes detangling so much easier for me. And this is what my hair looks like after applying the conditioner. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys exactly how I detangle my hair. So I usually work in sections, but I'm going to show you guys without it. So I take my section and I just detangle my ends, and I work my way down until my full section is detangled. This is what my hair looks like when it's fully detangled. After detangling, I just made sure to just rinse out the conditioner properly. And this is what my hair looks like. And this is the product I'm going to be using. It's called Curlala. Alright, so I take my section and the first thing I do is just detangle my ends. After detangling, I apply the curl cream onto my section. And then I take my section from the root and I start coiling in a circular motion until I get that nice defined curl that I wanted. And this is what my first coil looks like. Alright, so I'm going to explain this whole process one more time just so you guys get it. So I take my section and then I just detangle my ends. And then I just smooth on the curl cream to my section. And then I take my section and then coil in a circular motion until I get that nice defined curl that I wanted. Whenever I do my finger coils, I like to do the base of my finger coils, which basically looks like this. And this is what my hair looks like after completely finishing my whole head. You may have thought the video was completely over, but it's actually not. I'm going to be showing you guys how to diffuse your hair. I'm going to be using the Brizzell blow dryer to diffuse my hair. I really like this blow dryer because it dries my hair really fast, and that is so important because I know some of you guys are always late to school or late to work and be like, I don't have any time to diffuse my hair. But with the Brizzell blow dryer, time is definitely not a problem. This blow dryer is actually so light. I think it's the lightest blow dryer I've ever held. But yeah, it gets the job done really good, and it's super light so your hand wouldn't be hurting when you're diffusing. So I didn't diffuse my hair 100% because I had to leave the house. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. I really like this final look. I feel like it could have been a little bit better with my parting, but it's alright. This is the end of my video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.